Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can replace your video's background in CapCut apps. So I'm going to open my project and there is a video and I'm going to replace the background. Before I'm going to remove the background, just click on the clip and then select cut out button, just click on it. Select remove background. To remove background automatically, just click check mark. So I'm going to add a background, just click on add icon and select your background, just click photos and for instance this image, click add. And for the video you are just going to make it as an overlay. Click on the clip and then select overlay and adjust for the duration. The image duration is same length with the duration of the video, and you can resize for the image, merge it, just merge it. Go. So super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.